Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue, but I have been promising so many of you guys that I was going to do it 6 or 7 months later after my braces got taken off, and I'm finally going to record a retainer video. So, first and foremost, it has been 7 months since I got my braces taken off. So much has happened from that point to now with my teeth, so I'm just going to quickly update you guys on what happened after I got my braces taken off, and then I'll jump into the retainer and talk a little bit about that with you guys. Okay, so not long after I got my braces taken off, actually the day I got my braces taken off, it was really painful, and I was kind of telling him, hey, it was hurting when he was drilling and it's not supposed to hurt. So I mentioned that it was hurting, and he said I probably have a cavity. So I got that checked out after my braces got taken off. I got it checked out. It turned out I did have a cavity, and then it turned out that I needed a root canal, and then that root canal failed, so then I needed to get my tooth pulled out. So they had to take out my tooth and they put a bridge in. So I have a bridge now. Freaking sucks, but I guess I might have had the cavity when I had the braces and I just didn't even know because I never felt any pain, and it just got infected, and it basically was just too late to even save the tooth. So you guys, make sure that you get checked up. Seriously, like, just get a checkup. Even if you don't feel pain, it's still good to just get a checkup because you don't want this to happen, and it was not cheap to get a bridge in, so that sucks. But I'll show you guys in a little bit once I get up close. But I did get my retainer when I got my braces taken off, so my retainer is in here. Now, it's important that you wear your retainer. You're actually supposed to wear it every single day, all day after you get your braces taken off for about 3 months. And then after that, you just wear it when you're sleeping, or you can wear it anytime during the day. If you have like free time and you're just home, then you can put it in. I'll be honest, I did not do that, and my teeth did shift. They didn't shift a lot, but they have shifted a little bit. I do have like a little bit of gaps on the top, and then well, because of the bottom, because of that whole situation with the with me having to get a bridge in, there was a gap for some time when the tooth got pulled out, and they needed it to heal before they could pop on the bridge, and the bridge was getting made. So my front two teeth kind of did shift a little bit. One tooth shifted a little bit. I don't know if you guys remember, but my front bottom teeth were, one of them was really crooked and really turned in, so you can tell it's kind of like wanting to turn in. And now that I have a bridge, it completely just changed the molding on my retainer, and my retainer wasn't fitting well. So I did get another retainer made, but I haven't gone to pick it up because I just haven't had time. Ew, that's gross. Water is like falling out of this, but that's because I cleaned it, and I filmed that for you guys so you can see how I clean my retainer, and I'll get into that in a little bit. But that's basically my updated story. Let me show you guys my teeth right now before I talk about the retainer. So this is my smile. These back here are not mine. Those three. This is what I mean. This one got a little bit crooked here, and then I kind of have a gut right here. You can kind of see it. And then this is a gut right there, and a gosh right here. So it definitely freaking sucks that that happened, but I do need to go and get my new retainer, so hopefully I get it soon. But I do wear these every single night, and when I do remember to wear it during the day, I do pop it on, but honestly it's really rare. But if you guys do notice like your teeth moving, when you pop this on, it does kind of push them back. I notice like in the mornings, like this gap will close a little bit, so I just need to wear it more often during the day. So I need to freaking remember. But they don't hurt to wear them, but talking in them sucks. Like, you will have a lisp, and that's honestly why I do not wear them during the day, or I don't wear them out. It does go away after some time after using them, but I haven't used them enough all day for that to happen, so I just don't wear them. And I'm gonna show them to you. So this is pretty much the retainer here. They look really gross, guys, really nasty, but this is the part that basically holds your teeth in, and they do get loose after some time, so you kind of just want to tighten them. You can also have your orthodontist do that for you. So the small piece right here, this one goes on the bottom because there's nothing here. This is where your tongue goes, and then the top one does kind of have like this little like thicker area here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, you literally just pop them in. I guess I could pop them in for you guys. like that, like something like that. Okay, and then this one. See? Getting a little bit loose. There. And then you take it out. So taking them out is really easy. This one's getting loose. I need to like get this one tightened. And you want to keep them in here or you will lose them. Honestly, don't ever put them in a napkin because you will lose them. So I always keep them in here, but again, like I said, I don't wear them during the day. I don't carry them around. I probably should, but I only use them at night when I'm sleeping. You do have to clean them every single day. I clean them with the toothbrush, but every like maybe 2 or 3 days I'll like clean them using the antibacterial denture cleanser or cleaner or whatever. You can get this at Target. That's where I bought it. This is meant to clean like dentures, but you can use this to clean your retainer. So I literally just, it comes with a bunch of them, and then you literally throw one of these into, you can put this in like a cup and then do that, but I usually just put this in here, straight into here, and then run under some warm water. And I'll insert the clip of me cleaning them so you guys can see what I mean.
So I was totally being lazy and I didn't use a cup, and I kept my retainers in the little case, but I just run it under warm water. It needs to be warm water, else that little tablet won't foam up. But you want it to foam up, and just let it sit there for about a minute, and that'll get all the gunk out. And then once you are done, you just want to run it under some water and thing runs clear, and that's how you know that your retainer is clean, and the tablet will have fully dissolved as well. So that's how you know that you're done. And as you can tell, I'm just running it under water, but you'll see a little bit of like stains there. You use a toothbrush to take all of that out, and that's it.
Else, so far so good. I just need to go and get the new retainer, and hopefully that will fit better, because I feel like these are starting to fit more loose on me and I don't like that. But that's my update, you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions in regards to my retainer or anything else. So sorry that it took me so long to update you guys, but I finally did it for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you guys so much for watching. I miss all of you guys. I miss doing my braces update videos, but it feels amazing to not have braces anymore, and it feels amazing to just have like a nice smile. I do need to whiten my teeth. I have not whitened them since I got my braces taken off. I've been meaning to, so if you guys know of any good whitening treatments, let me know down below, and I will try that and do a video for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!